I'm pretty sure you're supposed to take the utilization from hub 1 to hub 0. And that's what I have here.
I'm not sure I'm following you. You say you took utilization from hub 1 to hub 0?
Yes. Because when I was able to get, I was able to observe 100% utilization on the link at interarrival times corresponding to 50%.
Okay, could you show me again the diagram when you say hub 1 to hub 0?
Yeah, is this one.
Okay, and then the other one, there was something else there that you showed me that looked weird.
Yes, this is when you take the data from the node to the hub. When you have dual net, when you have two hubs.
I don't know. It still shouldn't be like that.
I tried varying other things as well.
Okay.
I was still getting the same thing. It's just.
And what is that to the side? Ah, that's the result of. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, show me the data again. Go back to the left. What is the inter-arrival time that you were using?
Here.
Okay, let us pick one point and see. Let us pick point 39 at 75%. I mean, sorry, not 39, in row 39. Row 39, yeah.
Okay.
Let us read. So this one, it has 75.9 utilization, and the delay is what? 41? Is that the delay?
Yes, but this one was for this screwed up graph here, because this is node to hub.
So where's the one that is?
This is the one that is the proper one.
All right. So let us see here, and this one you have a delay of 0.36, right?
Yes, 0.3695.
And the utilization of 79. So this utilization here, you say it's from hub 0 to hub 1.
Yes.
And the other one is from the node to the hub.
Yes, that's correct.
Go back to the one that, okay. First, let us run this one, 0.2779. Yeah, I want to see if you got stable result or not.
All right, give me a second. I'll pull it up.
And then I think I know what is wrong with the node to hub measurement that you have. It's probably you put more traffic than the traffic that could be handled from the hub, from one hub to the other. Let us run it. Okay, so no, wait. Yeah, put the inter-arrival time first. Put the correct.
From global object attributes. I think we picked 0.29.
Yeah, 0.29. Okay, so, all right, so this utilization is decent enough. Let me see the delay.
All right.
So this looks stable and fine. Now, okay, show me not the time average, show me the instantaneous, because this looks weird. Okay,
Like as is?
as is, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so this looks fine. Just the throughput, let me see the throughput. So you have about 7, hold on. So that's about what, is that what, 7,000 bit per second? Or 7 meg?
I think it is bits per second, but I'm not
If
sure
it is
why it
bit
would
per
be that low.
second, this is
Yeah.
7,000?
Yeah, that's very low.
So it's not 70% utilization, then it is 7%.
I'm not
Or
sure
what?
why
Or
it's giving me
0.7?
that.
Because this is 10 meg, isn't it? Could you, yeah, let us
Yeah.
see the capacity here. I think it's 10 meg, if I'm not mistaken. What is it? Does it say the bit rate?
It says the data rate, but
Hold on.
yeah.
There it is. Go
Where is
back.
it?
Go back. Oh, stop. Here. It's 9.6K. Okay. So if it's
So
9.6, then this is fine. Yeah.
I see.
Okay. All right. So for some reason, I thought this was 10 meg Ethernet. Apparently, it's just a duplex line. Yeah. Could you double click on it again? Open up. Yeah, let me see the details.
I think it was
attributes. Yeah.
palette.
So duplex line.
Yes.
Okay. So it's 9.6. Fine. So this is good. I think the other one, I'm not sure to verify it now, but it looks like if you go into, go here. So you probably, the traffic coming from the nodes is probably more than the traffic going from that hub to the other hub. That's probably why it is going. But of course, I cannot verify or validate that. But if you want, you could try to do it at home or validate that. Make sure that the traffic from hub to hub is like the traffic from the nodes to the hub should not be more than the traffic from the hub to the other hub. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So let us move on. Did you do anything with the project?
Yeah, I got started
let
on
me
that.
see. You started on it? Let me see. Let me first check your other colleagues and then we'll... So Radley. Radley. Okay. You want to take the screen and show us what you have? Okay. Silva, Fanny Silva.
Yes, Professor. Sorry, give me
Okay. Do you have any results?
Yes.
The packet switching.
Professor, can you see everything?
Right, yeah.
I saw from last time, I just wanted to analyze what the problem was, because when I was doing uplink with the 1000 seconds, it wasn't giving me a good result. So I increased the amount of running time. So it gave me a little bit better than from last time, because it was always coming up like straight. I think my only question would be, how would I be able to improve these results better if I were to run like more trials, just for me to learn more?
Yeah, no, just use more utilization points. That's all. But why you stop? Why you still have an issue? You stopped at 91%.
Yes, that's because it was just the values that were up above, they were just going down. So it wasn't going good anymore. That's why I'm asking like how to improve these points. It's better than last time, because last time it stopped at 60. So increasing it to 3000 seconds was better. If I kept increasing it though, it was not, it was just going worse. So
all right.
I found like the perfect midpoint.
Okay. One thing it would be nice to show is try to pick up the throughput.
Oh, the throughput, yes.
Like pick up a direction, let us say from the node to the hubs. And pick up and put the throughput there in bits per second.
Of course,
and show it, and show also the what kind of bit rate you have on the link between the two hubs. Okay.
Okay. Yes. I think that would give me more clarity on this. Thank you, Professor.
Hoi Wu.
I'm here, Professor.
Yeah. Go ahead. Did you have any results for packet switching?
Yeah.
All right.
It's exactly the same problem you mentioned earlier.
So again,
only
try to put more simulation time.
Yeah, try 4,000 seconds.
Then you should have some decent results if you have 4,000.
But it's mentioned that it's only from the hub to from a node to a hub. I didn't do from hub to hub.
Okay, so like I said to your other colleagues also, try to also plot down the throughput, okay?
Okay.
And make sure that the sum of the throughput from the nodes to the hub should not be more than between hub to hub, okay?
Okay.
So it could be that it could happen that because you keep decreasing the inter-arrival time, and then you could hit a point where the traffic is really more than what could be handled by the network. Okay?
Yeah.
And then you're going to get crazy results that are unexplainable. And also show hub-to-hub utilization.
Okay.
And then, of course, the delay. Okay. So, but you don't need more than 4,000 is more than enough.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Grace, we talked last time.
Yes.
All right. Ibrahim, Wayne.
Professor, I've been, hold on, let me do this.
What?
Well, look, I've been stuck right here. Like, it's not even add any value at all.
You're stuck? Okay.
I don't know why. I've been, for the past 1 week, I've been trying to add value. If I click on right here for package, look, it keeps saying this.
Okay.
It's just saying
I'm
stuck right here.
I don't know what to say to you, honestly. All right, Luis Hernandez.
Yeah, I'm here.
Do you have any results? Or?
Yeah, it's similar to what I had last week that I showed you, but I'll show it right now.
Okay. So again, you heard what I said to your colleagues, huh? Hello? Do you hear me?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay.
So I said you heard what I said to your colleagues. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
All right.
The throughput, though, you said it couldn't go over a certain value. What was that value?
The maximum value of the link, which is 9.6. In your case, it's 9,600.
You also mentioned something about it that it couldn't go beyond the difference between the hub.
Yeah, the link between the hubs is 9,600, isn't it?
Okay. Yes.
So if you let traffic coming from the nodes to be more than the 9,600, the total traffic,
okay,
then it's gonna be problem, right?
Yeah. And then continue. Go ahead.
No, that's it. So
okay.
So try to track the throughput. Each time it would be a good idea to display also throughput from the node to the hub and from hub to hub.
Okay, I'll do that. Yeah, and this was just the values for when
so that you could see for yourself how the bit rate is changing.
Okay. Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? And then of course the delay, and then you could also put the utilization as well.
Okay.
Rahman, MD. MD, are you there?
Yeah, I'm having the issue with that thing, and I went to the lab and it was closed, so I may have to do it next week. This week.
Okay. Nora Silva.
Yes, Professor.
You have anything?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Sorry. Can you see it?
Not yet.
Oh. Let me try again. Can you see it, Professor?
Right. Okay. So let me see here. The uplink is what? And the downlink is what? When you say uplink, that's what? Uplink is what? From?
Uplink is from the node to the hub, and the downlink is from the hub to the node. My only problem was
The
that,
downlink is from the hub to the node.
I'm sorry, what did you say, Professor?
The downlink is from where?
Oh, sorry. I meant the downlink is from the node to the hub.
And the uplink?
From the hub to the node. My only problem was that the utilization when I started.
Hold on, just a minute, step by step. And the ETE delay, that's the average delay, isn't it?
Yes, I should have put that here.
And then inter-arrival time, and then... Okay, so the utilization here, you stopped at 90%. I see that, right? You have 98, okay.
Yeah, but it just like leveled off.
At 98? Let us...
98, sorry.
At 90?
I just need like a minute for it to like load correctly. I don't know
You know what? Let us do a point and let us do scenario 26. Scenario 26 in your table.
Yes, scenario 26. Okay, got it. Yes, Professor.
Which is 0.25 inter-arrival time. And let us see what we're gonna get. And try and select the throughput also. I want to have a look at the throughput, the bit rate.
Yes, let me pull up Opnet. Sorry, Professor. It's right here. Professor.
Yeah.
Sorry, just give me a moment. I'm putting it up right
Sure.
now.
All right, let me check with your colleagues and then, okay, you've done.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry. Pull it up again. I think it's a little frozen.
Okay. I'll go to your, but you could do that on your own.
Okay.
What we just discussed, huh?
Yes,
All right.
yes, Professor. Mm-hmm.
Hassan, Raad, are you? That's the guy who doesn't come. Okay, Sujat, Tafadar, Sujat.
Professor. Yes.
Yeah, go ahead. Do you have anything?
Yes.
Okay. So again, you have the same results and my answer is the same. You heard what I said to your colleagues. Okay? On how to improve this. And to begin with, the 1,000 seconds is not going to work. You need about 3,000 seconds.
Okay.
Who else? Winham, Sabil Winham.
Yeah. Yeah, can you see?
Again, the same thing.
Okay.
And Bao, Yunus, Bao.
Yes, Professor. Okay. Sorry, just
You have to go to the email to bring it up. I don't understand you.
okay. Yeah, this is just 1 minute. I'm sorry.
You don't. Where is the original file? Why are you going
Right
to
here.
the email? So why do you have to go to the email?
I sent you the result here, so
I know that you. Oh my God.
okay. This is my result. Have you guys seen my screen? Hello.
Okay. Yes. I see your screen.
Yeah, this is my
Okay.
screens and this is my data. I keep the simulation time 1000 and I keep changing 1 over
This is
1 now.
between what and what? The delay is between where and where? I mean the utilization.
The utilization is between the node 1 and the first hub.
Say again?
Between the node 0 and the hub.
And
And the
between the
first
node,
hub.
node 0 and what?
And the hub, the first hub.
Okay, let me see. Go to the left. Go to the left. Go to the left. Go to your left. I mean, sorry. Okay, the other way around. The other way around.
Okay, right here.
More. Okay, so I want you to let us redo. Well, is this packet switching?
Yeah, this is packet switching too. I keep the simulation and I
Okay,
keep changing
let me
one
see.
over one.
Let me see. 0.7. Do you see the point where it says row is 0.7?
Yeah, the first one.
No, not the first one.
Second one. This one.
No, 0.7. Go the way down.
Oh, okay, this one.
0.17.
17. Okay, this one is 1.33.
Show me the topology of the network you're working on.
Okay, the simulation. Are you guys seeing this?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
This is how I did it. I go to edit the nodes and they go here to the source. And then this one. Yeah, so I have to put 1.33887. Let's say do this. So then I save it. Okay, now they come here. I do the simulation. So and then I ran it. So then close, and then I should view results. Okay, this is the ETE delay. And I use the overlay and I take the average.
yeah.
Okay, and then I show the graph. And then I take this.
Points. Okay.
So it give me like 0.322.
Okay. And the utilization?
Okay. She gives me something like
But
this.
where is the other network? You're showing, is this packet switching 1 or 2?
Two.
I
This
think-
is packet switching 2.
So so where's the other
Oh.
network? Why am I seeing only 1?
Mm. Okay, I have-
And why you have source interarrival time 60 and 6 or 80 and 8?
80 and 8. That's what I did from the values we are given to do the simulation, 80 and 8.
I don't
So, and
understand.
I keep
I'm,
changing 1 over lambda. I go to the node and they change 1 over lambda and they take the measurement.
Yeah, but here, I understand you're changing 1 over lambda, but why do you have here a display saying 80 and 8? That doesn't make sense. Why, if the source interarrival time is I don't know how much
Okay.
it is, 1 point something. Why you have 80 here?
This value, I didn't change them. This is how I did this.
Okay, let me see the bit rate on the link. The throughput. Could you display the throughput?
Okay, from here or the through?
The throughput on these links, yeah, from the nodes to the hub, on all of them.
The node to the hub. This.
No. What is not the capacity. I want to see the throughput, the measured throughput after the simulation is done. You know what I mean? Just like, or the utilization.
Because this is what I get from here, so it is.
No. The parameters, the parameters for the simulation results.
This is the simulation. Okay, yeah.
No.
Throughput. Where I have. Is in the simulation or in
the results? You need to.
That's the result right here. So view results. Is this?
Okay, let me see the utilization. This is between the node and the hub. Okay.
Okay.
How much is this?
The utilization is
make it average.
Okay.
So you have 7%.
7%. 7% between,
not
yeah.
70. 7. Not
Yes.
70. Not 70. Okay, which is very, very little. Your result says that this is 70%, but it's not. Do you see that?
Okay, yeah, it shows here is 7, almost 7.
Yeah, so you need to go back and look at your results again, because that's not correct. Because this is, you displayed this as a result of 70. Meanwhile, it is actually 7. Now let me see the other nodes. Can you display the other nodes? Like node 1 to hub 0, node 2.
Yeah, which node? Node 1?
Anything.
Yeah, this is the node 1. Edit. Just
results.
Oh.
No. I want to see the utilization. Yeah. No, this is not zero again.
For the node
right,
one, I
so-
don't have. I just for the
Okay,
node zero.
so you need to go back and look at this and learn how to display throughput and how to look at results from different nodes to the hub, and then look also between this hub and the next hub, between the two networks. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Anybody tried the project and got any results?
Yes.
Okay. Who's this?
This is Louis.
Okay. Let us see.
Okay. Let me just give me 1 second to open it up.
Yeah.
Professor, when you mean the results, you just mean like you have it, that I have it up and running?
Did you
or-
do anything? When I say result, I mean, did you do anything? Did you run simulation? So
I ran the
let us see what you ran.
Okay, yeah.
Let us see what you did. Explain what you did. What do you have so far? All of you, I just want to remind you, we have 2 more meetings other than tonight, the 28th and the 5th. And then on the 12th, we're going to have the finals. So next week, I'm going to ask you all to schedule some time during the day of the 12th. Each one of you will have like 15, 20 minutes on your own. Okay, what do you have, Lewis?
I'm opening it up right now.
We're missing. Okay.
So this was the project, right?
Right. So, what scenario did you run? What kind of traffic did you do? Let me see the profile that you have.
Oh, for sure. So I have these profiles: the engineer, researcher.
Why do you have? Okay, let me see on the. Did you use all of them, or did you use one only?
For each node.
What do you
there's
have
different
on
amounts.
the nodes? Yeah, what do you have here? What
Okay,
profiles?
So profile. There's 3 here.
Why? I told you just do one. Start by one.
Oh, I'm because in the
Anyways,
yeah. but it
I
still
know
works.
what's in the thing, but I gave you specific instructions last time. Start with a simple case and then build it step by
Okay.
step. I said start with just one profile and just one application per that profile, and make it very, very simple, like file transfer or database or whatever it is, and
Yeah.
change the utilization and finish it off. And then you start adding another application and another application and so on.
Okay. Oh, so you want to see the progressive change? All right. Okay. Okay.
Because otherwise you won't be able to keep track of the maybe you were not listening. There are infinite number of possibilities to get the same utilization. So we want to take this step by step, basically.
Okay. Yeah.
And make sure that the simulation is correct. The results
Yes.
we have, we could trust it.
Okay.
All right. So
All right.
next week, I would like to see some results from all of you on the project. Okay?
Okay.
All right, everyone?
So wait, what it says on the file where it says setting it up.
I know what, listen. I know what it says on the file. You don't have to keep saying to me, it says on the file this and that. I know what it says in the file. But I'm saying something different now. And I said that last time.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So next week, all of you, I would like to see some results from the project. And as I said, start with the simplest case, which is one profile, one application per that profile for all nodes, and just follow how that application, when you change its inter-arrival time, how the utilization will change, track, have a graph, have some data, and plot also the throughput per the links, the utilization per the links, and look at only one direction. Like you could go from, you don't have to plot both directions back and forth, like from left to right and then from right to left. You could just pick one direction, let's say from left to right. And then once you're done with one simple application, then you could add another one. And then you could add video or streaming or both until you have basically, let us say four applications would be fine. Like one video, one voice, one database, one or email, and one file transfer. That would be fine. Something like a set of those four applications would be fine. And again, make sure that the sum of you always have to make sure that the bitrate, the traffic on the links from the nodes to the switch, you always have to look at those, display them in your results, put them in your data, and then look at the throughput between the node and the router. And make sure that you do not exceed, the traffic does not exceed that the total traffic. So the links in this case are all 10 meg. So you cannot have traffic from the links to the node that are to the switch that are like 20 meg or 15 meg. Okay, and then you have on the link between the node, the switch and the router, you have 12 meg, for example. You can't. You'll have crazy results because the link between the node and between the switch and the router is 10 meg, so you cannot have more than 10 meg on that. Are you all with me? Are you all following?
Yes.
Yes, do you all understand what I'm saying, or should I plot it? I think I drew it last time.
I had a question actually about that, Professor.
Sure, just let me.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So if I have something like this, so, and I'm looking at the traffic going this direction from left to right, and here I have another switch and so on. Then here, this here is 10 meg. This also is 10 meg, and this is 10 meg. So you need to be very careful that the traffic you put here and here, the sum of those cannot be more than 10 meg. Okay? Are you with me? So when you display the throughput on this link here, it cannot be more than 10 meg. It must always be less than 10 meg. Yes, you have a question, Grace?
Yes. So for this assignment, I know that the end goal is ultimately to like one of the things that we want to be tracking is the Ethernet delay and possibly even plotting that. But
yes.
I was wondering, like when it comes to like selecting the statistics to track, plot end-to-end delay, and we can track that. But usually, like we've been tracking like utilization versus delay, and for some reason, like maybe I'm just. But for this, I'm like not sure what exactly for utilization.
Again, the utilization, you can pick the utilization on this link.
Okay. So we're basically plotting like the utilization
versus global Ethernet delay.
Versus global delay. Oh, okay, got it. That makes sense now then, because I was trying.
And the utilization here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's enough.
Got it. So basically
but I want you to display the results for the throughput. Here. Huh?
So
one part is enough. One part. I mean, you could continue and do here, there, but it's enough to do one part. Yeah, go ahead.
Throughput, again, that's only one way.
Throughput on these links.
Okay.
Why? The reason for that is just to make sure that what you're simulating is correct. It's not, you're not going to get into a situation where you're putting more than 10 meg over the link here.
Okay. And can I possibly maybe show my screen or just like, do you have an idea?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, because for this, I wasn't really sure if the results that I'm getting like.
All right, let us see. Go ahead.
Okay, so I have it here configured with, I have the 6 nodes, but on each node, I have it set to the profile with one application in it.
Good.
Each of them is only running, I have to double check which one it is, but it's running the application for e-commerce, which I think was just.
All right.
Which one? That one was just, I can double check, but e-commerce is, okay, it's just web browsing.
Okay.
And so.
You could make up your own profile, right? You understand that you could make up your own profile and call it whatever, XYZ. It doesn't have to be one of the profiles there.
Okay. So like, for instance, if I was to look at, say, like sorry, it's a little bit laggy. Or the switch to the router, which is the, is this like what the utilization might look like?
Yes.
I have
So let us look at the throughput in this case.
Okay, sorry. I'm just looking for, I have something else selected here. I'm trying to unselect it. Okay. So for the switch to the router, point to point, this is the throughputs. I think that this is the throughput from the router to the switch.
Yeah. Do you have the throughput for in bits per second? Can you show in bits, because bit per second is easier.
Bits per second? Okay, wait. I have to select those then. Sorry.
Yeah. And forget about packet per second. All right, whatever. Yeah.
Okay. The switch to the router.
Yes.
Okay. Throughput in bits per second.
Right.
Is this like sort of what it's?
Yes. So just one direction is enough. You don't have to unclick the other one. Unclick from. Okay, so this here, I would let this run a little bit longer because I'm not sure. It looks like you're about to hit steady state, but I'm not sure. This is over. Okay, put the time average.
Okay. Sorry, hold on one second.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So run it a little bit longer. Go back and run it a little bit longer. So make it 2 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, that's better. You say you already hit, that's definitely steady. Right, over here. So this is 70,000. 70,000 bit per second out of 10 meg. So this is very, very small. So the utilization, let me look at it now. Go select, unselect this. So you see this utilization is 0.7. Fine. So now you have, hold on. So you have 70,000 bits per second. Now let us see what are you getting from the nodes to the switch. Go now to the nodes, workstation 0 to the switch. Let us see what you're getting.
In utilization?
Throughput. Select the first one. The very first one. No, not this one. Not packet per second, bit per second.
Okay, sorry.
The very first one, yeah. So now you have, this one is giving you about 50,000, right?
Yeah.
Little less. Okay, let me see workstation 1.
Okay. Should I overlay them?
No. So you have here another 50,000.
Yeah.
Is that right? Or am I reading it wrong?
It looks about 50,000, yeah.
Yeah, little less. Okay. And then the third one?
But utilization is the other way though. So I guess I can just switch this one. The third node. This one is a little less than 50,000.
Okay, and the third one?
The third node is on the other side, or the fourth one, I guess.
No, workstation 2.
Is on the other side.
No, not the other side. So workstation 0, 1, and 2. You already displayed them all? Yeah, you already have. So you have workstation 0. So each one here is giving you about 50,000, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And on the link that departs the switch and going to the router, you still have about 50,000. 70,000. Correct?
From the switch to the
switch to the router. eSwitch 0, from eSwitch 0 to the router.
eSwitch. Oh yeah, from eSwitch 0 to the router, it is.
What is this one? eSwitch. This is
the utilization.
Okay. So how much you have here? About that's 60,000 even, right?
This is eSwitch to the router is about 60,000, and then these are all 50,000.
Okay, so basically, each station is contributing about 50,000 for a total of how much? 150.
Well, but why did it show 60,000 then here? Am I selecting the wrong thing?
No. So the total, no, it's correct. So the total traffic going into the switch is 150,000, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
But only 50,000 or 60,000, little above that, is going from the switch to the router, correct?
Yes.
So where is the rest is going? The rest is the traffic between the workstations. They're not crossing the switch to the router.
Oh.
Okay, because they're talking to each other as well.
Oh. So wait, how can I see that then? Maybe with that.
Well, you can see it by looking at the traffic in the other direction from the switch to the workstation. But that will also have the traffic coming from the other side of the network, from the router to the switch.
Oh, okay. So
you know what I mean? Yeah. So there is another thing you could do, which is go back, go to the node. You could confine the traffic to anyone. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So where is open applications? Yeah. Okay. So the destination preference. When you see here that destination preference is I want to see here. Yeah. Destination preference is, yeah, click that one. It says 0. None. I mean none, right?
Yeah.
None here. All of you, are you all listening? None here means that all stations could talk to each other, meaning station 0 could talk to station 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And of course, vice versa. Now, if you want to confine the traffic to go from one workstation, let us say workstation 2, in this example, sorry, workstation 0, and you want all traffic from workstation 0 to go to the other side of the network, workstations 4, 5, and 6, then you have to open this up, yes, put 3 there exactly, and then define the destinations, that you have to list there workstations 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, all Then here.
But it's saying
no. Just leave all applications, but put the name of the destination. No. You almost you had it the other time. Yes. Here, do you see what it says? Right. So go here. And then add the row, yeah. 1, yeah. And then and then put workstation exactly. 4, 5, and 6. 3, 4, and 5. Right.
Selection weight.
I don't remember. Selection weight should be what? Can you change it, first of all? Let me see here. Edit.
That's just to type in.
I don't remember. Selection weight should be what? Try it anyway. You could, yeah. And then your traffic should be, I don't know if the sum here should be 100. I think the sum should be 100. Hold on. So make it like 34, the weight, so that all of them amount to 100.
Okay. So
33 yeah, 33.
And then 34. Okay.
And then 34.
Oh, it's like a probability. Okay.
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure though. We're gonna try and find out now. I could be wrong. I don't remember this.
Should I run it now?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
We did this for only one station, right? We didn't do it for all of them.
Yeah, but it was station 0. That matters. So to pay attention to, this would be within.
Could you apply this for the others? We have to do it for all of them, really,
okay.
so that
for all of them on this side.
Yeah.
Okay, let me do that really quick.
Select all of them, yeah, and do it only once.
Sorry, it's freezing. Okay. For all of them in total, or just all the 3 on this side?
Yeah, those 2. Yeah, you did only one. Yeah, only one side is enough.
Okay.
Professor, I have a question regarding to
Yes.
This. So does it
Say
matter?
Again?
I have a question regarding this. So
What is it?
As long as we're sending it to a workstation on the other side, does it matter if we split the weighting?
No, it doesn't matter.
All right.
Okay. So I just applied it to those 2.
Okay, so let us look at the throughput right away.
For which?
Start, switch to router. First of all, let's see what you have. You still have about 60,000.
Yeah. I think this is the direction coming from the 3.
No, this is the other way around. No, I'm talking, this is the direction. So it's still 55. Okay, let me see here what you have from workstation 0. No, then it didn't take effect. It didn't work. Go down. Let's see workstation 1. Yeah, it's still
30,000?
30. You have 30, and then you have 50.
This one's about 40, actually, I think.
40, 30. Let me see the third one. About 50.
Yeah.
So it didn't work. Something is missing. So because this is, the total here is about what? 50 plus 30 plus another 50. This is 130. And from the switch to the router, you have only 50. So it didn't work. Let me go back again and check it. Let's see. Go to switch 0.
Switch
go back
0?
and sorry. Workstation 0. I mean, workstation 0. Go again. Hold on. Why you have number of rows 1? It should be 3. Destiny.
Because this
Okay.
is to pick the workstations. I don't know.
No, this is wrong then. It should be 3 of them, right? Why you have
3? Okay, but so would it be then? So for each,
I think okay. Close this.
Okay.
Okay, so here you should have 3 rows. 3 rows here. Yeah, and then go here.
It would be 1 row here, basically.
Right.
Oh, okay. And so this one would be like workstation 4 or something.
Right.
And then, okay. I'm sorry.
All right. We don't have to do it in real time, but you understand the.
I think I get it. Yeah.
Okay.
I think I get it. Yeah.
All right.
And so if before I play around with this more, just like letting the traffic flow, I guess like
Exactly. So yeah, with just one application, like what you're doing here,
okay.
and just follow it and make sure that you know that the simulation is responding correctly. Like right now, we found out that what we did before was not correct. That it has to be 3 rows. So just like that,
okay.
Until you get it right.
And what matters kind of, I guess like all of it matters, but like of most interest, like for now, I guess would be this link here.
Yeah.
Probably, and then the delay compared to the utilization on this link.
Right.
Okay. Got it. All right. Thank you, Professor.
Okay. All right, guys. So I'll see you next week. All right.
Okay. See you.
Okay. All right. Good evening, everyone.
Good night.